Hi Pearl, I'm looking to replace the engine on my Huskee 6 horsepower, 22-ton log splitter. The engine has seen better days and needs replaced. Currently it has a Briggs Stratton 12H7021717B10311046 engine mounted. What engines will be a direct fit for this splitter? Does not have to be a B and S.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Briggs & Stratton engine?
The engine sat for years and we cleaned everything and got it running last year. Did maintenance on it in March of this year.
How long has this been going on with your Briggs & Stratton engine? What have you tried so far?
Today the end of the spark plug wire from the armature magneto just rusted off. I am ready for a new engine.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Nope. Just looking for a direct replacement engine. Thanks.
Hello, my name is I have been a small engine technician for 18 years and hopefully I can offer you some assistance. I see that you were looking for a replacement engine for your Briggs engine on a log splitter. The direct fit replacement for the engine model and type that you provided is 126MO2-1004F1. However, Briggs no longer produces this engine and there is no longer a direct fit engine for yours. You will need to go to Harbor Freight or somewhere such as that and purchase something like a Predator engine and modify it to work in the place of your Briggs.
Okay, thanks. Still trying to figure out and the place of your Briggs means. Do you recommend a particular engine with same shaft size? HP?
Sorry. Fab should say in place of your Briggs.
Haha.
I'm sending you a link to a new Briggs engine with the same crankshaft size. However, you will need to modify the mounting hole pattern. https://www.brandnewengines.com/93J020116.asks.
Thank you, that's great. I will be able to modify that.
Perfect.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.